Yo, so, um, I'm here to say an apology that I did not make a video of the Hunt Mega Edition like I promised. Uh, so what happened is, I, I got grounded until my final exam. That's my brother. He's still brain rotted. So I couldn't play Roblox since the final exam. So if that's the point, then I couldn't play the Hunt Mega Edition. So yeah, that's the reason why I didn't make it. And sorry for all of that. And I hope it will not happen again. But because I'm not sure if it will, I, as much as I don't want it to happen again, it might actually still happen again. I'm sorry, y'all, but I didn't make it was a pretty good. It's I don't know, man. See ya, y'all.